guys, I'm Valerie with 5P Designs, and today's project was one of those projects where you kind of see it in your mind and you don't know if it's going to work out, and you ponder over it for a week or so and you think about it and you just don't know if it's going to work, so then you decide you're just going to do it. It started out as just a hanger that I got with a blanket. All of this inspired by our new kitten, who likes to jump on the couch in a certain area and sleep there, and it was starting to get little scratches on it and there was always fur on it, so I decided to get a gray blanket that would kind of blend with the couch so it wasn't a big ugly thing on the sofa, but it would still protect it, and she really loves it. It worked out well, and it came on this white hanger. And as soon as I saw it, I thought, that's got to be a project. I got to do something with that. But it sat on the counter for really like a week, and I just kept looking at it and trying to decide what I should use it for. And I had a different idea originally, and I just couldn't get it to come together. And then last night, really in the middle of the night, I woke up. I'm like, I know what it's going to be. So I had this kind of like a boho wall hanging visual. Halfway through the process, I thought, wow, this is not going to work, and then I thought it is going to work, and I'm still actually uncertain on whether I like it, but I had fun doing it, so I'll let you decide if you like it, and if so, it's really easy to make. I didn't film the whole process because it was basically just me cutting yarn and tying it onto the hanger, and then I also added beads here and there, and I actually think the beads really made it look so much better. Just gave it a little something, and then I couldn't decide if I should put this gold ribbon stuff on the top, but my daughters both agreed that it should definitely have it, so we put it on, and I think I like it. So I will show you some close-up shots and let me know what you think in the comments, with whether it was a win or a fail. I'm really still uncertain, but I had fun doing it, and that's what matters most. So here you are, my boho wall hanging. Alright, so this is somewhat of an experiment. We have a variety of craft stuff that we found in my basement. I'm just going to mismatch stuff and see what works. I think this is going to be kind of my color scheme. We have blues and greens and creams, and what I'm going to do is start cutting things up and basically just tying them along here, and we'll see how it turns out. I'm going to start tying this on, and then I'm going to add to it. I think I'd like to also use this string, which has a little bit of a shine to it, and put some of these beads on it. I also have this kind of material. Might add some of that. I'm just going to get started and see where it goes. I also have some floral fabric that I may use, but I'm going to start with this and see how it looks.